और एआईसीसी महासचिव जो केरलम की जिम्मेदारी है दीपा दास मुंशी जी हैं। अभी श्रीमती दीपा दास मुंशी जी एक महत्वपूर्ण घोषणा करेंगी। दीपा जी। ये सिर्फ घोषणा करेंगे, उसके बाद सवाल जवाब नहीं होगा। इनफॉर्मली हम बातचीत करेंगे, पर अभी घोषणा करने दीजिए क्योंकि इसका आपका इंतजार भी है।
Namaskar. The Congress Legislature Party had met in Thiruvananthapuram on May 7th, 2026 and had unanimously resolved to authorize the Congress President to appoint the new leader of the CLP in the state of Kerala. Accordingly, the Congress President has held extensive discussions with the chairperson of the Congress Parliamentary Party, leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, the AICC observers who had met with the newly elected MLAs on May 7th, 2026, and many other leaders from the state, including MPs, former PCC presidents, have also been consulted. Based on all these discussions, it has been decided that Shri V.D. Satishan be appointed as the leader of the CLP. Thank you so much.
Well, there you have it. It was a short, quick press conference to the point. V.D. Satishan will be the leader of the CLP. What does it mean? He's going to be the next chief minister. That the Congress top brass was forced to bow to the mandate of the people. You had, on the other hand, someone like a K.C. Venugopal, who has been at the center, a close aide of Rahul Gandhi, the general secretary at the national level since 2029. He's not going to be para-dropped to Kerala. It is going to be V.D. Satishan. Why? Because he was the face under whom you had the Kerala elections being fought. Remember, it's not just about the next 5 years that we've been discussing here on Times Now. It is about who's going to dominate the state politics for 15 years. Everyone's saying that finally the white smoke has been seen and it is going to be V.D. Satishan, the next chief minister of Kerala. He is the Congress's pick. The next step is going to be for the Congress to go and stake claim. In fact, let's listen in to what's happening at the AICC HQ. To Niyamika, we are also joined by Imran, there is Arpita, there is Pranesh, there is Shekharaya who's there. The biggest coverage that we are getting for you here on Times Now. Niyamika, I'm going to come across to you. A short, quick press conference saying V.D. Satishan is going to be the man. What really weighed the scales in his favor? Was it the mass support? Was it the alliance partners like IUML? Or was it the Wayanad warning which was given to the Parivar of Congress?
Well, Meghna, we have seen that the kind of public outrage which was being there on the ground, the way in which these protests have taken place, the way in which there is a continuous pressure which was being mounted by the alliance partners, and specifically IUML in particular, that has gone in favor of Mr. V.D. Satishan. We have seen that how, despite of the fact that Mr. K.C. Venugopal was being backed by majority of the elected MLAs, in fact, the senior leaders, the former PCC presidents, working president, they are also, opined that it should be Mr. K.C. Venugopal who should become the chief minister, the scenario at the ground is completely different. It was completely different, and that was clearly being shown the way in which these posters, these flexes was being put up at the grassroots level. The people were very angry after the report of Mukul Vasni got leaked on social media, and all those
Right.
MLAs who have actually backed Mr. KC
Absolutely.
Venugopal, they had